Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to upload any video on YouTube. Now, although this is a very kind of simple video, you can actually, it's a little more complicated, and there are more other kind of more steps to do than just click the upload button and that's it. So let me get you through these steps very quickly. So of course, open your browser and you're gonna get redirected to the studio.youtube.com. I'm not gonna leave. I can't leave the link because, well, every each anyone, it's gonna depend on what account you have, obviously. Excuse me, that was a little bit of an accident. So obviously it shows your top video. I'm not gonna go very deep on this stuff because it's a little private. So as you can see, on the top right corner you have. I'm gonna zoom in. You have an upload and a go live. Now you can just click the upload videos and it's gonna get you to this little box, click select files. And as you can see, we have a little bit of a test footage going on here. Click on whatever kind of footage you want. Click open and it's gonna show this little animation. And this is where it gets a little complicated. Now I'm just gonna type test. You could type whatever thing you want in the description with obviously character limit of 5,000 characters. You can change the thumbnail. It's gonna give you three thumbnails that are auto-generated from the footage of the video, and then you can upload your own thumbnail that you made from, I don't know, Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop or anything really. And then you can put this video in any kind of playlist that you have in your YouTube channel. For example, I have the list, which is a private channel, which is a private playlist that I have. Tutorials, which is the tutorials playlist that I also have, and all these and got this Forgotten Temple Run too playlist. Now these are my playlists, not your playlists. It depends on what how many playlists you have created in your own account. And then obviously always click no, it's not made for kids, because, well, if it's made for kids, this video will be very limited, and you probably already know why. Anyway, next, click next if you finished with the details section, or you can also add the subtitles. Now the add end screen option isn't fully in this specific video, maybe because it's, I guess, not fully uploaded, or maybe it's because this video is too short. It's just a kind of a test video I did. You can also add cards, which I'm gonna click right now on, show you very quickly. So select the type of card to begin. So these are the little cards, that I will show you right now very quickly. So your videos. So you could choose a video that you want to put in this card. So my videos or any video. I'm just gonna put my own video very quickly here. And you could put a custom message in the as the title of the card. So once I'm playing on this, very quickly, wait. As you can see here, it is right here. Now this card is a little too long, so what if I could just change the title very quickly? Oh, well, sorry, it's not actually the title. Click the wrong button. What if I could just change the title of it, and I could just change it to maybe previous video. So my viewers can watch my previous video or anything. You can even set the time where the card appears. Maybe I want to set it at 6. Or, sorry, I don't know, I'm not sure what time that is. A little bit of rookie at this stuff, but anyway, as you can see, it shows up. You can click on it, and it shows the video that you have directed into them with previous video shown in here as the custom message that you typed on. Obviously, this is option. So obviously, once you have finished with that, you can just click save, or if you don't want that, you could just click discard changes. Once it's saved, we're gonna now get into the next step. Click next, and checks. This just shows if any copyrights, and that's it really. Next, and here you get to see to either if you want to upload this video as a private video, so you are the only one that can watch it, or an unlisted video. It is in your YouTube channel, but if someone wants to watch it, you have to have a link to it because nobody can actually access it publicly. So you cannot just go to the channel and find that video. It's actually unlisted. And then Obviously, the one that you most people would choose, public, so anyone can watch this video in your YouTube channel. So we can just click the YouTube channel, so a user can just completely look at this video without needing any links or anything like that, and that's it. Or you can schedule this video, obviously. And that's it, just click publish and wait for the video to upload, and it should appear in the content section. Thank you guys for watching. This is a very basic video, honestly. I just want to show people that, uploading a YouTube video is easier, and that's it, really. Thank you guys for watching.